kwa Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallama tusobole okusanga olwaleero Qur'ani nga nnyangu. Kyova olaba erinnya lya kitabo ekyo yassarna al-Qur'an. Allah agamba walaqad yassarna al-Qur'an, mazima ffe twayanguya Qur'ani amakulu ebanga nnyangu okusomebwa, lidhikiri kibeere nga kyakwejjukanya, abantu bejjukanye. Allah n'abuuza nti fahal min muddakir, owaayo olimu abo abajjukira? ne kikakata ku buli muntu okubanga kati oyiga okusoma kiki Qur'an. Anti kati tuzzeeyo wa kwaliifu kuki, tetwagala tetuddemu kuleka kiki omuntu. Ndowooza mulaba tutambula, ate ku lubaawo tugenda kusomerangako buli lunaku. Kakati gwe lwotegeka lwotajja kusoma kati tetumanyi, naye kati ndowooza mwe abaaliwo, ndowooza kati olaba nti eno lesoni ate kiki nnyangu, nkulwisa buki, byanguwa lwakuba wakola ki, waliwo. Kati kyenjagala okwate ke kano ka nukutwa, akatonyeza akamu, nukutataini oba nukutataani, obutonyeze bumeka? Bubiri. Annuqaatu bwe butonyeze obungi. Mu Luwarabu nga bwe mbagambye balina emu, bbiri, ssatu. Oluzungu lulina pururo ne kisinjula, kamu, omu, babiri, baasi ye talina basatu, n'ababiri agamba bangi. Kati yenjawulo wakati w'olulimi Oluwarabu n'Oluzungu ku bino ddala bye tukola ki, bye tusoma. Tugenda mu maaso. Leero tusomye butonyeze, enkya tukwata ku nnyukuta. Naam, kakati ndowooza waliwo bannaffe abatusabye okuba nti tubayitiramu ne mu lulimi Oluzungu. Now, alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulina Muhammadul Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today, our first lesson is going to be all about dots. And what we have to know about dots is only the position of dots and number of dots. In Arabic, a dot is called nukutwa. That is a dot. A dot in Arabic is called what? Nukutwa. When it is one dot. When they are two dots, they are called nukutwatani or nukutwataini. Those are two dots. Then when they exceed and go beyond the two, that is the three and above, they are called an-nuqatu. But now for our sake here, we have one dot, two dots, and three. You will not find any Arabic letter having more than three dots. So, put that in consideration that they are only 1, 2, 3 dots. Now, it will depend on a letter. That is, which letter possesses which dot. If a letter, it might be possessing one dot according to a letter, as we shall see. Another one might possess two dots, and another one might have three dots, depending on the letter. And at the same time, you will find that the letter might be with a dot, but in what position? Either down or up. Those are the only positions for the dots. It is either on top of the letter or it is down the what? The letter. You will not find any dot on the other side of the letter apart from up or down. So now, you have to put that in consideration, that dots are on a letter according to what type of letter, as we shall explain more when we come to real letters, insha'Allah ta'ala. Wa barakallahu fikum wa jazakumullahu khaira fi dunya wal akhirah. For today, we shall stop there because there is no much explanation on dots. What you have to know about dots is that they are either 1, 2, or 3. And at the same time, which position the dot is in, down or up. And you will find 1 dot down, 2 dots down. You will also find 1 dot up, 2 dots up, 3 dots up. You can't find a letter with 3 dots down. Down we have only 2 dots, 1 and 2. Then up we have 3, whereby 1 or 2 or 3. Those are the dots that we have in Arabic language. So, I think that is enough as far as dots are concerned. Get their names. 1 dot is nukutwa. 2 dots, nukutwatan or nukutwatain. Many are called an-nukatu. Wa barakallahu fikum wa jazakumullahu khaira fi dunya wal akhirah. Ndoza tewali alina kyabuuza ku butonyeze. Olwaleero ndoza tujja kukomawo ku butonyeze obwo. Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar.